Mahal, can I ask you, Mahal?
No, just go eat your
What
breakfast.
what you will do, Mahal, if they have war in Philippines? What you will do if they have war in Philippines?
What can I do?
What can
Nothing
you-
but pray.
And then you don't like to go back in your country?
No, why? I'm not afraid.
You're not afraid to die?
God's in control.
You're not afraid to die in the Philippines?
I
In my
don't
country?
care.
You don't care?
When you're dead, you're dead. Doesn't matter here, USA.
You're very touching.
Yeah. If I'm gonna die, I want to die with my wife next to me.
Wow. So touching naman.
Yeah, why go back to USA, die alone? Why?
Maybe you're afraid.
Not afraid. I'm old.
Really?
With
Really?
Jesus Christ, death has lost its sting.
Are you ready to die now?
I hope not now, but if it happens, it happens. It's when the Lord calls us home.
Really? Amen. Me too.
So
The
I don't
Lord's
worry.
coming.
I don't worry. China invade Philippines. God's in control, not me. I just try to live the day to the fullest. That's all you can do.
Guys, narinig niyo ang asawa ko. Handa na siyang mamatay sa bansa ng Pilipinas. Ganun talaga.
Balabalaba.
Talaga? We go Tondo next week, man.
Yes.
We surprise everybody.
A week from Friday we go.
Yeah, amen.
Or maybe a week from Saturday. We'll go Saturday morning.
Want to sleep in Tondo?
Hotel?
There's a lot of babies there.
Yeah, I know. I don't lie. I know it'll happen. I'll go there and I'll come home. I get ippies and I got koto in my hair. Ippy.